1.5 inches, 2 inches. You know, they make all different sizes. I don't know what, you know, we'd have to core sample it to know exactly what they put on.
So we're up here on top of the roof of the rescue house, and we've had some leak problems. So we have our roofing expert, Kirk Scott, up here with us, and we're kind of checking out there's a flat roof as well as a standing seam metal roof, and then there's also a composition roof. So we've had leaks in the flat roof areas and in the composition roof area. So we came up here, and there's an awful lot of water standing on this roof that is really not the end of the world, but it's not coming off. It's not actually draining the way we would like for it to. So I'm going to show you one of the reasons why. So if you're, pardon my sniffly nose, it's chilly. This roof has a metal edging, and then when you look at it just right, you'll see that the metal edging has a little bit of a lip on it right here. It's called a gravel guard, and it's supposed to keep things from flowing over certain uses. So, but for this roof, what should have been used was a piece of metal edging without that gravel guard. Shouldn't have had that ledge. I'm going to just show you why. Here's what happens when I pull down the roof, and you can see that when I pull it down as if there was no edge, it starts draining. That's what should have happened when it rained, not when I'm standing up here holding it. So this is actually just draining off of here like a waterfall, and what it's doing is the way it's all set up is the roofer used pretty much the cheapest materials he could get all the way around. He used the cheapest gravel guard or metal edging, cheapest flashing. Nothing is really done to high standards. It's all mediocre at best. But you can see the way this roof looks, how dirty it is, and it's got rust everywhere, and it's got actually like a red sort of mildewy look in that water, and that's just from stuff growing in it. That's how wet it's been. So wanted to give you a brief video of really what not to do and what to look for if you're going to do a flat roof or use this type of material. Also, let's look real quick at some of the other things that are problematic that this roofer did. One is he did a really bad job of flashing, and I'm always talking about this on the show because people seem to not put a whole lot of emphasis on flashing, but this is why it's important. This is some really bad work. I mean, this is just sloppy. You can see where the flashing doesn't go all the way over the stone, so it's not even moving the water where we want it. There's a high likelihood that water's getting back behind here somehow. Also, on this side, this is really, really poorly done.
Alex, can you get the primers to fill this in so we can get outside that?
Just do like a little cricket.
No, out here at the edge. You got the same thing on that side.
Oh, just build it over, just extend it over. Yeah, sure, we can do that. You bet.
Yeah.
So here's the same thing. Here's a great view of it. So you can see the edge of the stone, and you can see the flashing. If you look down there real close, you can see right up in there. That's where the water's getting in. I can actually see the framing. It's insane. I can't believe they left it like this. Some other things that this guy did that was really, he should be embarrassed about actually, is he redid this chimney and he used old rusty flashing. Didn't even change it out. This is a vent stack that he left in place that he didn't fix. These don't look particularly good, these other two. They could be fixed. So all in all, this is just a sloppy, unprofessional job, and adds up to roof leaks. Roof leaks galore around this house. So we're going to fix it. We'll be back with another video, and we'll have that one when we fix it. If you like these videos, you're enjoying this, make sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Remodel Revolution Radio. There's the golfers out there. We're on a golf course. Hope you enjoy it.